Welcome back. We survived the toll gate. We are back on the road, and I am officially a master of Japanese driving.
ビル、運転が上手ですね。
Thank you. I am gliding through the streets. The Toyota Hybrid and I are one.
でも、この道は狭いです。気をつけて。
seh-mah-ee, seh-mah-ee. It means narrow. It is a little tight, but I have perfect spatial awareness.
もっとゆっくり走ってください。
Yook-koo-ree, yook-koo-ree. It means slowly. Sakura. I am going exactly the speed limit. I am the safest driver in Tokyo.
あ、後ろからパトカーが来ました。
A police car? No problem. I'll just keep driving perfectly normally.
サイレンが鳴っていますよ。
Siren. Siren. It means siren. Wait, that soft woo-woo sound is for us? I thought it was an ambulance.
警察です。止まってください。
Why jorg? Wayu. It means police. Are pulling me over? I am going to international prison.
落ち着いて。左に寄せてください。
Fry. Fry. It means left. I am pulling over to the left. My hands are sweating on the steering wheel.
深呼吸してください。
I can't take a deep breath. Sakura. I'm a foreigner in a rental car. He's walking up to my door.
すみません。窓を開けてください。
Mado. Mado. It means window. I am rolling down the window. Good afternoon. Officer.
運転手さん、免許証を見せてください。
Menkyosho. Menkyosho. It means driver's license. Driver's license. Sir, here is my international permit and my passport.
ありがとうございます。確認しますね。
He took my license. He is wearing pristine white gloves. He looks like a pilot.
日本の警察はとても丁寧です。
Te. Ne. Te. Ne. It means polite. Terrifyingly polite. Why did he pull me over? Did I speed?
あそこの標識、見ましたか？
Sign? The sign back there? I saw it. It was a yield sign.
ビル、あれは止まれの標識です。
Hamare. Hamare. It means stop, but it wasn't an octagon. Stop signs have 8 sides. That was a triangle.
日本の止まれは赤い三角です。
Akai. Akai. It means red. It was red, but... Sanfaba. Sanfaba. It means triangle. A red triangle means stop in Japan? I totally rolled right through it.
完全に止まっていませんでしたよ。
I didn't stop completely. I am guilty, officer. I confess, I am an American fool.
旅行中なのに、本当にごめんなさい。
He just apologized to me. He said he's sorry I'm on vacation and this happened.
でも、法律は厳しいです。切符を切ります。
Kibishi. Kibishi. It means strict. The law is strict. I understand. Kippu. Kippu. It means ticket. He is writing me a ticket, but he looks so incredibly sad about it.
ビル、わかりました。と言ってください。
Karimashita. Karimashita. It means I understand. Wakari. Mashita. Officer Sato. Do what you must.
パスポートを見ると、アメリカからですね。
America? America? It means America. Yes. I am from the United States.
私はアメリカの音楽が大好きです。
Ongaku. Ongaku. It means music. Wait, we are talking about music now? While you write my citation?
特にカントリー音楽です。
Country music? You like American country music?
はい。ジョン・デンバーが最高です。
Waya. Waya. It means the best. John Denver is the best. I am getting a traffic ticket from a Japanese cop who loves John Denver.
ふふ、面白い警察官ですね。
It is funny, but how much is this going to cost me?
罰金は7000円です。
seh-mah-ee. Holonews. It means fine. 7,000 yen. That is actually really cheap for a traffic ticket. Less than $50.
近くの銀行で払ってください。
Seoul. It means bank. I pay it at the local bank. Okay. I can do that.
手続きは以上です。安全運転で。
安全運転. Anzen unten. It means safe driving. I promise, Officer Seto, I will stop at every red triangle in this country.
カントリーロード、気をつけて帰ってください。
Did he just tell me to take me home, country roads? This is the greatest arrest of my life.
逮捕されていませんよ。優しい人でしたね。
Yasashi. Yasashi. It means kind. He was incredibly kind. Okay, putting the car in gear. Back on the road.
ビル、メーターを見てください。
Look at the meter. Why? The car just beeped at me.
ガソリンがありません。
Gasoline. Gasoline. It means gasoline. The gas light is on. We are in the middle of nowhere. Subscribe for part 4 before we are stranded forever.